I'm thinking let's get them firing. Get them firing. Let's take a charge.
You want to go this way?
Well, I'm thinking, yeah, see the gray, by gray, and then I'm gonna curl out and see if I can get to the ramp.
Right here.
Yeah, right at gray, so you got that cover, and once you pass that, you're breaking off right to the ramp.
You just touching the ramp?
Oh, I'm just gonna lay on the bottom, yeah.
All right. I'll go up there with you.
All right. Okay, guys, come on, lay it down, let's go! Lay it down, let's go, come on! Lay it, come through! Yeah, baby, cut it! Woo! Nice, baby. All right. Yep. Yeah. I'm gonna try to hit that wall. Let me cross and up.
Hey, attacker! Attacker! Hey, the key is right below you! I threw the key out! It's on the ground right below you! I see it!
This side?
Go. We gotta walk. We got a guy right here.
Hang on, patience. What side is he on? What side?
He's on the far side.
Me! You
Yeah,
got
right, okay. We're good.
Is that our guy?
Our guy, we're free. Come on in. Pull it in, we're good. Oh, right here, guys, right here.
No, that's us.
No, I don't.
Keep him over there. Move up.
Attacker, defender, Chuck.
Attack's on the second shot!
Hey,
We got both sides of the ramp!
hey. Where's that coming from, bud?
Yeah, that's us, right?
Hey, we got friendly here or no?
Yeah!
That's friendly. He's shooting at us.
Top wall, don't shoot the other side!
Don't shoot the other side.
We got the whole top wall, we got both ramps! You're the front line!
Yeah, what do you got?
Guy behind that palisade right there. Watch that. That's one over. Two over.
What the hell is that?
Don't shoot me, I'm going close.
Got it. He's out. You're out. I'm out too. You gotta be out. Ref, check him. Yeah, he's out. I'm out. Go get him. That's spot that corner. We can get there.
Hey, nice job, defender.
Push it. Who cares? Get shot, you get shot. Get in.
Hey guys, patience. We got about 40 of ours up there. You came to the party late.